Welcome back, YouTube. My name is Jelfri, and today's video, I'll be covering what I believe is the best tool and the best indicator in TradingView. So we'll be analyzing Euro USD on several time frames from about March 9th to March 20th. So about 3 weeks of data here. And we're going to be looking at Euro USD pretty much reversing from March 9th all the way back down to this bottom here before it started reversing back upwards. So my favorite tool to be using on TradingView is called the FXN-week and day separator. Okay. Now what this indicator does is that it displays different days of the week from Monday to Friday. And what we're looking at is pretty much the separation of each of these candlesticks based on the day that they happened, and how this is useful is dependent on your trading strategy. If your trading strategy depends on, possibly looking for setups that may happen on Tuesday, Wednesday, or even Thursday, these are the more liquid days out of the week. Or possibly if you're looking for some price action behavior happening between Friday and Monday, because maybe something on Tuesday occurs, things of that nature. This is one of my favorite tools to back test with, just because it helps me look at certain patterns and certain indications to look out for when we are trading, right? Okay, so with this tool, just back test it and you begin to realize, hey, seems like, Monday we have, an induction of buyers. And as we come into Tuesday, we see a break of structure. Maybe this is a shift in momentum for the rest of the week, which so happens in this example here, okay? So stuff like that, you'll begin to pick up. So using this tool here, it will definitely help your back testing and your forward testing as you start to begin to notice these patterns. So remember how I said on Monday there was an induction of buyers, and then we have a shift in momentum on Tuesday. Look at it again here, Monday. Induction of buyers, done it twice, right? Here, didn't break structure yet, but when Tuesday came around, it definitely did. Broke structure, and price pretty much followed that momentum for the rest of the week. All right, here we are on Euro USD on the 2-hour time frame, and I would like to discuss with you guys what I believe is the best indicator on any chart software, whether it be Thinkorswim by TD Ameritrade or a web-based one like TradingView, for example. And for me, that is price action. And the reason why I believe price action is the best indicator is because it is pure information that does not lag. You are able to see the past, what is happening currently, and you could foresee what could possibly happen in the future just utilizing price action. You don't need any other like moving average. Forex is too volatile to be following, like trend lines and stuff like this. Like you see this, Forex is too volatile for this to be following a certain type of average. You can't like get a median price of Forex and try to trade off of that. What you are able to do is utilize price action and utilize market structure to your advantage and be able to manage your risk utilizing these two tools. So, well, rather concepts. So now we're looking at EU, right? We're seeing this drop in price, we see a break minor structure here, and we see a clear area where price could come back, retest, and possibly go further down. And let's see how that unfolds. As you can see, price came down, broke structure, this structure here, and the structure to the left, retest, broke this structure here. So now it's proving further bearishness of the market. And because we're just using price action, we're not looking at any other indicators or such, we're able to focus. Because if we're looking at the median or the average of the market, this could be swayed by the volatility of the market. What was an average here, right, can be moved by this outlier, right? And it could just be the wick. And the wick does not help in terms of getting your entry much more precise when you're utilizing tools such as averages and slope. Slope is just this here, this trend line. You know, price doesn't have to follow this slope. It can easily just work through. So I'm just gonna leave this slope here and see how it happens. See, it broke the slope. It has nothing to do with averages or slopes. It has to do with what price action is printing. What's here in price action is there to stay. What you see with trend lines, slope, averages is subject to change with each candlestick, meaning that it lags. But the advantage that you have with these candlesticks is that once it prints, you have areas of uh, of interest that you can use and have some type of, you know, high probability and be able to manage your risk appropriately. Okay, this is much more consistent. As you can see, price is just breaking structure, retesting, breaking structure, retest, and it just repeats. This is a cycle. This is a pattern that continues to happen in forex, and you'll be able to see it much more clearly if you're just utilizing simple concepts such as market structure and price action rather than utilizing other tools to distract you that could misguide you in misinterpreting what could be happening. Okay, so as you can see, you know, price after two pushes, it really uh, shifted in momentum, adding strong volume. Look at this strong volume to the downside, right? And during this month of March, these 3 weeks, from the 9th to about the 21st, we gave about 4 signals in our course. So yes, in our course, we do offer signals as part of the package. More information about that in our website, outcomereach.info. I'll write it down right here. So outcomereach.info, and you'll be able to find the link in the description down below. Make sure to check it out. So we gave 4 signals here. Not exactly where the boxes are, but overall, I believe this was one of them. And moving this up here, I believe that was another one. So as you can see, clean snipes across the board with EU, and we were, you know, enjoying the profit as well as the positive swap, because when you short Euro USD, instead of getting swap deducted from your profit, you have swap adding profit into your trade. So we will gladly hold that. All right. Hope you guys found this helpful. If you have trouble finding this week and day separated, just look at the name here again, FXN space dash space week and day separator. If you just write that part right there, you should be fine in finding this tool and being able to back test, forward test, and just see the overall market behavior on certain days of the week. And always, always use price action as your main source of information in the market. Okay. There's no other better indicator that doesn't, reprint or misguide you. All you need is already there in the charts. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.